Hey gang, Stand Tall Steve here again. Now, we're going to continue on this whole concept of decision making. Now, before I talk to you about how you have the 5 levels of decision making. 1, you make the decision on your own. 2, give me your input, then I'll make the decision. 3, we make the decisions all together. Level 4, let me give you my input, then you make the decision. And level 5, go for it, baby. You make the decision on your own. I want to expand on this because there's a magic in the 5 levels of decision making. Here's the thing. You let everyone in your organization know about the 5 levels of decision making. That's right. Let's take it as if you're a building principal. You do a PD, professional development, with your staff, and you explain the 5 levels of decision making, when they are used, how often they are used, scenarios when it's used. Then, in your communication with your staff moving forward, you tell them when you are using whatever level. Hey, right now you send out an email on your Friday Focus. You say, hey, we have something coming up. It's going to be a level 2. Please stop by my office and give me your input. Boom. Instantly, everybody knows, hey, I can give input, but they might take it, might not. Hey, I'm going to swing by your department level meeting. I know you have a decision to make. Let's make it a level 4. Boom. Instantly, they know, hey, principal's coming by, going to give us their input, but we're going to make the decision. We have this big event coming up. It's going to be a meeting after school. It's going to be a level 3. Boom. Instantly, they know it's a committee meeting. This makes it so much easier within your organization to understand when decisions are made. Now, level 1 and level 5, you really don't have to announce, but level 2, 3, and 4, definitely utilize this format, and therefore it also cuts down on people saying to you, I gave them my input, but they never used it. You knew it was a level 2. Don't go there. Oh, I don't know, they'll never do it. Wait a second, it's a level 3. We all have an equal voice. Also, keep in mind, as the leader, you are the leader. If things go messed up at level 4, you have the right to pull it back to a level 2 if you need to. This is Steve Bowler, also known as Stand Tall Steve, and that is your Stand Tall statement.